Do you know what this is? No.
Yes.
Yes, it's two magnets that you put on your nostrils, and then you have like a little plastic band that keeps your nostrils open, so that when you sleep, you breathe through your nose and don't snore. So I have that, and it works.
So you're a snorer?
I am. I turned into a snorer.
Me too.
Yeah, and I think about that because in The Jerk, doesn't he invent something that keeps your glasses
Yeah.
up?
Bridget, it made
Yes.
everybody
It
cross-eyed.
made every cross-eyed. So when I put my magnets on, I think about The Jerk. I'm like, is this going to make me cross-eyed?
But you know what the good thing I think about?
Called the OptiGrab.
OptiGrab.
The OptiGrab.
Yeah.
But what I think the beautiful thing about Steve Martin now, like for people that are watching that maybe haven't seen The Jerk,
Yeah.